Hello friends. Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. UPPCS Mains GS Paper 5. Question 11, 125 words. Analyze the origin, growth and spread of Buddhism in Uttar Pradesh. Evaluate its significance in the context of the state's cultural heritage and religious tourism. Model answer. Uttar Pradesh occupies a central place in the history of Buddhism. Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon, Dharmachakra Pravartana, at Sarnath, while Shravasti, Kushinagar, Kaushambi and Sankesa emerged as major centers of Buddhist learning and practice. Emperor Ashoka played a significant role in spreading Buddhism by constructing stupas, pillars and monasteries across the region. The Buddhist heritage of Uttar Pradesh strengthens the state's cultural identity, international religious tourism, academic research, cultural diplomacy and local employment. The Buddhist circuit has become an important component of the state's tourism policy. However, inadequate conservation, limited infrastructure, lack of public awareness and environmental degradation continue to restrict its full potential. Therefore, scientific conservation, global promotion, modern tourism infrastructure and active community participation are essential for transforming Buddhist heritage into a sustainable driver of development. Question 12, 125 words. Analyze the historical development and cultural contribution of Jainism in Uttar Pradesh. Highlight the need for preserving its heritage in the contemporary period. Model answer. Uttar Pradesh has been one of the significant centers of Jainism since ancient times. Places such as Varanasi, Hastinapur, Shravasti and Kaushambi are closely associated with Jain Tirthankaras and religious traditions. Jain philosophy propagated the principles of non-violence, truth, non-possessiveness, self-discipline and ethical living. Jain art, architecture, sculpture, literature and pilgrimage centers have enriched the cultural diversity and tourism economy of the state. However, rapid urbanization, encroachment, inadequate conservation and limited public awareness pose serious threats to many Jain heritage sites. Scientific conservation, digitization of heritage, promotion of academic research, development of religious tourism and community participation are necessary to preserve this invaluable cultural legacy for future generations. Question 13, 125 words. How did the Bhakti movement influence the social and cultural life of Uttar Pradesh? Examine its relevance in contemporary society. Model answer. The Bhakti movement profoundly transformed the social and cultural history of Uttar Pradesh. Saints such as Kabir, Tulsidas, Surdas and Ravidas challenged caste discrimination, religious orthodoxy and social inequalities while promoting equality, devotion, humanity and universal brotherhood. The movement enriched Indian literature, particularly Awadhi and Braj languages, strengthened social harmony and encouraged religious tolerance. Its teachings continue to inspire moral values, social justice and national integration. The devotional literature produced during this period remains an invaluable cultural treasure. In the present context of increasing social divisions and intolerance, the inclusive philosophy of the Bhakti movement offers valuable guidance for building a democratic, harmonious and compassionate society. Question 14, 125 words. Describe the development of the Sufi tradition in Uttar Pradesh. Evaluate its role in promoting social harmony and cultural integration. Model answer. The Sufi tradition played a significant role in promoting love, compassion, service, tolerance and spiritual values in Uttar Pradesh. Dargahs and khanqahs, particularly at places such as Kichaucha Sharif and other important centers, became symbols of peace, communal harmony and cultural interaction. Sufi saints emphasized humanity over religious orthodoxy. The Sufi tradition strengthened the Ganga Jamuni culture and contributed immensely to literature, music, folk traditions and cultural dialogue. Even today, it remains highly relevant for promoting communal harmony, social cohesion and national integration. Preservation of Sufi heritage, promotion of cultural tourism, academic research and awareness among younger generations are essential for safeguarding this rich legacy. Question 15, 125 words. Discuss the contribution of the major religious and cultural pilgrimage centers of Uttar Pradesh to the social, cultural and economic development of the state. Model answer. Uttar Pradesh is home to globally renowned pilgrimage centers such as Ayodhya, Varanasi, Prayagraj, Mathura, Vrindavan, Sarnath, Kushinagar and Shravasti. These places represent India's rich spiritual, cultural and historical traditions. Religious tourism significantly contributes to employment generation, local trade, hospitality, transport, handicrafts and the service sector. These pilgrimage centers also strengthen national integration, cultural exchange and India's global image. However, overcrowding, environmental degradation, inadequate infrastructure and waste management remain major challenges. Sustainable tourism, modern infrastructure, cleanliness, digital management systems and active community participation are essential for ensuring balanced and inclusive development of these heritage destinations. Question 16, 125 words. Analyze the major features of the folk art and folk culture of Uttar Pradesh. Suggest suitable measures for their preservation and promotion. Model answer. The folk culture of Uttar Pradesh reflects the state's social diversity, traditional knowledge, indigenous customs and cultural heritage. Nautanki, Raslila, Ramlila, Birha, Kajri, Alha, folk songs, folk dances and traditional handicrafts are among its most prominent cultural expressions. These art forms strengthen social cohesion, preserve cultural continuity, promote rural tourism and support the local economy. However, rapid modernization, commercialization, declining interest among youth and financial difficulties faced by artists threaten their survival. Financial assistance to artists, digital platforms, cultural education, integration with tourism and sustained government support can help revive and preserve the state's vibrant folk traditions. Question 17, 125 words. Discuss the economic and cultural significance of the handicrafts and traditional industries of Uttar Pradesh. Analyze the challenges they face in the era of global competition. Model answer. The handicrafts of Uttar Pradesh constitute an important pillar of the state's cultural identity and rural economy. Banarasi silk, Lucknow chikankari, Moradabad brassware, Bhadohi carpets, Firozabad glassware and Saharanpur woodcraft enjoy international recognition. These industries generate large-scale employment, promote exports, encourage women entrepreneurship and strengthen local economic development. However, global competition, machine-made products, inadequate marketing, financial constraints and counterfeit goods pose serious challenges. Brand promotion, e-commerce, skill development, design innovation, effective utilization of geographical indication, GI, tags and export promotion can significantly enhance the global competitiveness of these traditional industries. Question 18, 125 words. Discuss the social, cultural and economic significance of the major fairs and festivals of Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. The fairs and festivals of Uttar Pradesh represent the state's cultural diversity, religious traditions and social harmony. Events such as the Mahakumbh, Ardh Kumbh, Magh Mela, Dev Deepavali, Latmar Holi and several regional festivals attract millions of pilgrims and tourists from India and abroad. These events generate employment, promote tourism, support local trade, handicrafts, hospitality and transport, while preserving the state's rich cultural heritage. They also strengthen social cohesion and national integration. However, crowd management, sanitation, security and environmental sustainability remain significant challenges. Efficient administration, digital services, sustainable tourism, environmental conservation and interdepartmental coordination are essential for the successful management of these mega events. Question 19, 125 words. Evaluate the role of UNESCO-recognized heritage sites in preserving the cultural heritage of Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. UNESCO World Heritage Sites highlight the outstanding universal value of a region's cultural and historical legacy. In Uttar Pradesh, the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort and Fatehpur Sikri have earned global recognition for their architectural excellence and historical significance. These heritage sites promote tourism, foreign exchange earnings, cultural diplomacy, local employment and the international image of the state. They also encourage the adoption of scientific conservation practices and international preservation standards. However, pollution, excessive tourism, encroachment and climate change continue to threaten their sustainability. Long-term conservation policies, modern technologies, community participation and sustainable tourism strategies are essential to preserve these globally significant heritage assets. Question 20, 125 words. Analyze the role of modern technology in the conservation and promotion of the cultural heritage of Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Modern technology has transformed the conservation, documentation and promotion of cultural heritage. Digital archiving, 3D scanning, artificial intelligence, AI, geographic information systems, GIS, drone surveys and virtual museums have significantly improved heritage management and preservation. These technologies enable accurate documentation of monuments, timely assessment of structural damage, advanced research, digital learning and global accessibility of cultural assets. They also promote tourism and enhance public awareness. However, high implementation costs, shortage of skilled professionals and inadequate digital infrastructure remain important challenges. Technological innovation, institutional collaboration, capacity building and active public participation are essential for ensuring the effective and sustainable conservation of Uttar Pradesh's rich cultural heritage. Thank you.